course, start the vlog off and the pump don't even want to work. They didn't put $5 on the pump. So today's agenda is picked up this bike. We're gonna drop this off to KB5. But in the mix of that, we're gonna go pick a bike up and then we're gonna go to KB5, drop this bike off, pay a tab for another bike, and then we're gonna come back to the city. You know what I mean? Meanwhile, let's get this petrol or this chase. We're gonna get back on the road. What we down here doing today, man?
Yeah, gotta get a little beat right today, you know what I mean? Boy finally deserved to get a unit. Been doing good in scoop, you know what I mean?
Good old 65.
I can't help it.
Nah, she fast and she like her. Saidu, be nice, alright?
What you think?
A little loud.
What?
You know what I mean? Successful bod. Boy about to be nice. Gotta get this thing right.
On everything. You need some TLC. You gotta get a new back tire, exhaust, oil change, you know, the regular maintenance, change the spark plug, tires, plastics. I mean, probably ain't gonna change all the plastics, but
Hope y'all YBs gonna be ready, man. All y'all YBs watching, Lil B gonna be on your ass.
what do you say, BTA?
BTA.
Well, yeah, all right, now let's go ahead. We're about to go drop this off at the KB5, and then we're about to go ahead, pay a tab, and then head back to the city. And we have arrived to KB5. Haven't seen this thing in a while. Look at her all taken apart. Don't worry, she'll be back up and running sooner than you think. Real soon. Real soon. Sounds normal, right? That's what I was saying. Sound like a 4-stroke to me.
Yeah, nothing ugly.
It's just, I guess he just wants you to like maintenance, I guess do the valves or whatever, I don't know. I mean, whatever you want to do to it. I guess just get it right. Because we don't know how many hours on it because they took the Wi-Fi box out of it, so we can't check the hours or whatever, so.
We can do a leak down test.
Yeah, alright.
Pressurize the cylinder, see what it's holding, and then check the valves for it.
Okay. Alright, so as you see, KB5 said the bike is right. If you want your unit right, it's the place to come to. Don't go nowhere else. Don't even cheat yourself.
This is no 65, that's a 34.
Well, this one's wider.
That's a new dump. These are the 33s with the 34. Same tire, just they replaced it with the 34.
Okay. Oh, they go to a 50 or something.
Good.
All right. I'm gonna take this one right here.
The 33.
Yeah. All right. So left KB5, dropped the bike off. Still got a bike with a showing bike. Now it's gonna be 2 separate days. We're not gonna show Lil B the bike yet. We gotta get his reaction. So we're not gonna end the vlog just yet. But while you at it, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, subscribe. If you can at least like the video. We're gonna end it right here for this day. We'll catch you in a second. What you got going on over here?
What you got going on over here? Your man's got a 150 shifter on a YZ85. Not my unit, but just helping a friend, you know?
The injectors ain't injecting, you feel me?
The injectors? It's a 2-stroke. What injectors you talking about?
You must be talking about right here, the down there, the down there.
The carburetor goes
Ain't
to
hooked
the
up
air.
to the carbonator, but you know the real problem with it ain't got no gas, and let me turn them on. Psych, turn them back on.
Oh, they just flooded it. All right. So currently what we're doing at the moment is my man's bought a new bike and he wants to connect the bike to his phone with the GYTR app. So what you got to do is you got to take this the left side plastic off, and the serial number is the number that you want. You want to take that number and put it in the actual Wi-Fi spot on your phone, and then it should connect. And then we're gonna get in here, tweak, see how many hours is on it, tune it, you know, all the extra good stuff. You know what I mean? Nothing too crazy because everybody saying they ain't got no power, but we're gonna turn her up a little
The power right there.
bit. Exactly. That's where your power
Right
is.
there. Hit that mode button
Exactly.
and get in that mode.
Exactly. Getting that move. You know what
Yes,
I mean? Change
sir.
your phone. And then this guy right here, he be worming.
Come on, boom.
All right. So what we're currently doing is got the phone connected to the bike, got the bike connected to the phone, whatever you want to call it. You know what I mean?
However
so
you
the
wanna
bike
put it.
currently has 51 hours on it. I just turned it to the hard hitting mode, so I'm about to put the bike back together, let him ride the bike, and we're gonna see, you know what I mean, if he likes it or not. Hopefully it's too much for him.
Think it's gonna be too much for your brother?
It's already too much. The plastic done fell off.
Goddamn.
This was hitting a little too soft for me. Now, he's about in the hard mode. We about to see what's up with it.
We're about to see what she's made of. Because they saying, oh, this seems flat. But this motherfucker about to hit, so you gonna be laying flat.
Hey, Rockstar mouth, dude. That man.
But let's throw this joint back together real quick.
21,250.
Yes.
Cheche came true. Yes, YouTube. How you doing,
bro? 2025 summer. It's the fucking summer, nigga.
Summer, all four.
If you not tapped in,
If you don't got that push to start,
you're gonna have a long summer ahead of you.
Tell him if they hold on, grab the cam.
Tell him, bro.
If we was on a little bike and we hit that road, I'm gonna tell you, you might as well stay back.
Talk to him.
Cause when we hit that road,
Talk to him.
when
Talk
we hit
to
that
him.
road on them big
On
units,
them big units,
and that temp,
and that. It's,
on the highway looking flea, and you want that low ass 85 150 in the back,
tell him, bro, it's not gonna cut
you
it.
might as well stay home.
It's not gonna cut
Don't
it.
even pull that shit out.
That shit runs.
Runs.
All
All big shit.
All big shit.
All big shit this
All
summer.
big shit. No kickstart. Tell him we not kicking.
Yeah, no
Who
kick.
kick what? You and your ass?
I mean, if you kicking him, that joint better be maintenance. Them valves better be right.
Say it again one time.
Them valves better be right.
2 strokes, cool.
That's big bike.
That's big bike. Big, huh?
We talking about anything under 150,
It's not-
85.
it's not-
If you're not making it on the highway, you're staying back. You're
Back.
staying home.
all some of you niggas better have your belts on, you ain't? Oh, y'all niggas better have your belts on
But them niggas got, they got them bitches. Look, you can't barely get a finger between them motherfuckers. That's genuine BTA right there, boys. Genuine BTA, boys. It's gonna be a good summer. God bless all my niggas.
Yes, sir.
So how it feel?
Feels like you got some power now.
You feel a difference, right?
Hell yeah.
Exactly.
Hell yeah.
51 hours. Brandon gonna get fucking treated on this, yo, bro. I can't wait. That just so good, though. I can't wait for B-Stack to get on this joint, y'all. He gonna get fucking melted. Picking that joint up like
This thing hits so hard. I couldn't even get my foot back under the shifter to bang the gears. I just run so damn hard. Gears.
What up, man?
He wanna hate over who came to you?
Lil B. Ready for that 250? What you got to say to the camera? You ready for the 250?
Do an intro. Can you get an intro from me?
Go ahead. Oh, you doing the intro?
You starting to blow up today.
What's up, y'all? So we about to be riding a 250.
Speak up, nigga.
And
Yeah, you gotta speak up, bro. Come on, look at the camera.
what's up, y'all? We about to be riding a 250 and stuff. And we about to be riding some dirt bikes today.
Some dirt bikes today? Yeah. Okay. So what else you got to say, man? What's your favorite bikes? Let me interview you a little bit. Come over here. Stand right there, yeah. Stand right here. Let me see. Look at me.
YZ85, Kx65, and a 125, and a YZ250.
So why's the YZ125?
Oh, you said the YZ250. That's what you about to be riding?
Yeah.
You know how much power it is?
Two-stroke, nigga, right?
Yeah.
So like,
Powerful, but I'm gonna ride it.
Yeah, well, that's a lot of power.
So like, why look at the camera and say like why that's like really your favorite bikes though, like
Because
why you like the 125 so much?
Because I can really not like fall on it.
Okay, you know how to use the brake?
Yeah.
Okay, you be wheeling?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who you coming at there? It's a new year, so we gotta hear something from you.
Swing.
Swing?
Dang.
Go there,
like
swing.
that?
Alright.
Okay, who else? That's it?
Yeah.
So like,
Hey,
hold on.
Wait, Lil Man. Come here.
Wait, yeah, we need.
What about One Way Lil Man? What about
Yeah,
him?
One Way
Lil
Lil
Man,
Man.
I'm coming for you too.
You coming for One Way
That's
Lil
it?
Man? Oh!
What type is this?
That's the one you said you wanted.
Ain't no rush, bro.
He's ready to ride this, Joe. Listen, he's ready to ride. Boy, I got his new unit.
You know what I mean? Go ahead and bang them ears, my boy. Yo, can we get something from the dad of the year?
Yeah, it's for
The dad of the year?
proud father moment right here. Ready
yes,
to shed a
sir.
tear. Don't worry about bringing nothing back.
That's
Bring
it.
it to ride.
That's it. My boy officially got his own bike. You know what I mean? Still got to get some other parts to make it all nice and par. I mean, but like I said, this it's running as you can see.
His first bike.
We gotta get him to rip across the field. I mean, I know it's his first day on it, but we gotta get him to rip across the field on it. That's what I want to see.
I missed a little wheelie clip. I should have got the wheelie clip. What you think, little bit?
Congratulations, brother. Congratulations.
Even though I got slammed.
Congratulations, bro.
That comes with the game.
You ain't get slammed, bro.
On his tippy.
Yeah, on his tippy toes.
What you think about the bike?
It's nice.
It's nice?
Yeah.
How you feel? You done had your first little crash already in like the first 30 seconds of having it.
Ain't hurt that bad.
Nah, that's so good.
It's just like, I did a little turn.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
I almost crashed into the car.
We want to see you
No,
bang
you did
some
good, bro.
gears, man.
You just heard me?
No, we want to see you bang some
Who you
gears.
burning out first?
You said burning out who?
Who you burning up first?
You.
Okay. Okay. Said everybody.
Talking all that smack.
Okay. Let me see some work.
Thing. Put the camera on him, not me.
You about to bang it.
Nobody ever jumps that joint. Listen.
Yo, that drink
That was
does
a starter.
sound good.
This is a starter. Transmission. Are you gonna do it again? Young boy wants you to line it up. What you gonna do?
Line it up.
All right.
Get the dust.
What happened?
I ain't gonna put up with much more of that, bro.
Get the dust.
Yeah, I did. I got some in my teeth. It's cool though.
Hold on.
Okay, my boy, we need to battle, yeah? Young boy to advance.
Spoke into existence,
Spoken into existence, you hear me?
and now look, now you on the 65.
Yeah.
What up, man?
He said now he got a bike.
What are you talking about?
He gotta go get him a crew, earn him some colors. You know what I
I
mean?
mean, burn rubber, not your soul,
Burn
baby.
rubber, not your soul.
I did that shit in my truck and fucked my truck up.
You did that in the truck?
In my truck and fucked my truck up.
Yo, he jumped that in
My truck was smacking. You hear me, bro? After that, bro, it was done.
Man, what can't ride? Little B get
Oh, this is a little rough.
Yo, pick it up. Pick it up all the way. Stop picking feet.
Yeah, I'm going.
We in the grass.
You in the grass. Keep your foot on the brake. You don't want to fall. Expect that brake. Yeah, bro.
Juice out that bitch.